What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I know you guys been missing me, but I'm back. I'm feeling better. I'm not sick anymore. Just let you guys know a little bit what's going on in my merch journey. Where's merch been taking me, and let's just jump straight into it, man. So last month I was sick, had COVID. I had 49 sales. I was really, really pissed about this. But I didn't really upload anything for the whole month. Um, I was just, trying to recover. I really wasn't doing shit. So I was a little upset about that, but you get what you give. Didn't do shit, didn't get shit. So when this month started, I was just like, um, let's really push some advertisement. Let's do it. And I've already doubled my sales and it's halfway through the month. I'm about at 500, almost at, about 450. And I'm a little happy about how it's going because I'm finally, you know, kind of getting the hang of advertising. So, my whole plan, I'm really trying to sell more hoodies. Like, I've been selling so many hoodies. Hold on, let me see if I can show you guys without showing you guys my stuff. Just every day, I've been selling way more hoodies. You know, um, let's see today. What have I sold any hoodies? I've sold one sweatshirt today, a long sleeve. I really have been trying to prioritize all of the products where we make more royalties off of. Um, my sales forecast looks like I'm gonna make about 770 if I keep on doing what I've been doing, which is nice. Um, I've been having a really low bid strategy when it comes to advertising. I've been having some really good days. I've had probably about two really bad days out of the month. This month, out of what 16. So, it's been cool. Let's see. Like yesterday, I sold one, two, three, four, five. I sold five hoodies. Um, I have done a lottery campaign. Is really how I've been jump starting my account. And if you don't know what a lottery campaign is, it's where you put all of your products in one campaign, basically. So I have it kind of separated. I have one where it's all just t-shirts, the standards, and then all the rest of the other products. Um, and it's been going pretty well for me. Like this right here in the red, it shows you what I had every day this month and what it was last year. So I've been making improvements. So that's all we can ask for. I'm just realizing that you know you really have to advertise, and I'm realizing how easy merch is if I am advertising. And I just gotta stop being stubborn about, spending an extra few $100 or, I just gotta do it, because, what business don't you advertise in? So, that's probably the big difference about, last month and this month is just, spending the bread. Um, so I think I'm about to start, advertising probably about 2 weeks out of the month and then trying to let it ride from there and then repeat. But we'll see. I'm kind of being aggressive right now. And, I've been advertising every day since the first or maybe the second or something like that because I'm really trying to get to my next tier. Because once I get to my next tier, I'm not worried about tiers anymore. I'll have a lot to upload every day, and I could just take my time and not even worry about that aspect anymore. Um, but yeah, I could show you guys how my campaign's been doing. I'll just show you guys real quick. Let me see. But yeah, so far this month, I sold 117 items for $440. My royalty per sale is way higher than last month. I've been uploading all of my shirts for $20 because I've been advertising, but I still have old shirts that were lower prices, and I don't feel like really going all the way through and doing that. But like I said, from now on, $20 a shirt. Um, Only time I've been doing lower if it's like a simple one text, one word, or something like that. I'll still do it for $17.99 though. So, um, definitely just raising up my prices and not giving a fuck. Um, but yeah, let me show you guys my campaign real quick. Hopefully this shit is. So this is how it's going today. Um, I already had 5 clicks, but I had a sale already, and it was a hoodie, which is great. And let's just show you guys how much I spent this month, because I like to be very transparent with you guys. A lot of people are like, they just be capping about all this shit. So let me show you guys. So let's click this month. So I'll show you this whole February so far. So I've spent a little under $200, and I've did $1,700 in revenue, which isn't bad. Um, this number would really be higher or a lower amount of spend if I didn't fuck up yesterday. Like, there's been 2 days where I've just fucked up my own game plan. It's just like you kind of get impatient. You're like, okay, fuck, let me raise my bids, blah, blah, blah. And then you refresh it, and like, oh, your fucking budget's gone. You're like, whoa. But all the days that I've stick to the script have been really good, really low. What is it called? Click, whatever. Been having really low bids. I've been doing really good. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys this. So I've spent a little under 200, and I've got over 400 and something, about 500. So pretty much doubling what I'm spending, which is cool. Which is fine, just like any other case. If I gave somebody $500 and they gave me back 1,000, I'll be happy with that. If I gave somebody $200 and they gave me back 4, I'll be happy with that. So I just gotta keep that mindset and just spend the bread, because it's all gonna come back. Just pressing up my account, you know what I'm saying, and letting Amazon actually see my products and get used to showing the customer my products. So yeah, that's this right here. Um, so yeah, just let you guys know I'm good, and keep you guys tapped into my account. I'll make sure I do some regular updates now. I'm back at it. Y'all see me in my daily updates. If you guys got any questions or any videos you guys want me to make, I'm definitely going to make a lottery campaign video so I can show you guys how exactly I did that. But yeah, until next time.